To generate a loopable background in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI video generator inside the AI toolkit. This is where you can create smooth cinematic motion clips that can be used as backgrounds for videos, websites, or presentations. Once inside the generator, select a model that supports cinematic or realistic motion. After that, set your aspect ratio depending on where you plan to use the background, such as 16:9 for widescreen or 1:1 for square formats. When writing your prompt, the key to a loopable background is to keep the motion subtle, continuous, and non-distracting. Avoid strong camera cuts or fast action. Instead, focus on ambient movement, slow environmental changes, or gentle motion. Here is a sample prompt you can directly use. A seamless loopable cinematic background of a calm futuristic city at night, soft neon lights glowing, subtle moving clouds, gentle camera drift, smooth continuous motion, atmospheric lighting, ultra-realistic, no characters, no cuts, designed for looping. After entering your prompt, adjust settings like duration and motion intensity if available. Lower motion strength usually works better for clean loops because it reduces abrupt changes in movement. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. The AI will create a motion-based background based on your prompt. When the video is generated, preview it carefully. Watch for smooth continuity between the beginning and end of the clip. A good loopable background should not have noticeable jumps or sudden changes in camera position or lighting. If the loop doesn't feel seamless, adjust your prompt by making motion even more gradual or regenerate until the movement feels continuous. Finally, download your loopable background and use it for overlays, streaming visuals, websites, or video production. And that's how you generate a loopable background in Artlist AI. Use a subtle motion prompt, generate your video, and refine until the movement feels smooth and seamless.